Hi, this is Voss here from the ChrisVossShow.com. Hey, coming with a really cool product. This is from Monster at monsterstore.com. This is their Monster Illuminessence 3 LED strip mood light kit. It comprises of 3 6.5 extra bright multicolor white dimmable 60 LED strips with an RF multicolor remote control. One thing that's cool about these lights is they're super inexpensive. They don't require you up to your Wi-Fi and all that brain damage. The remote does everything for you. It's fairly simple and easy to do. It is a little weird at turning it on because you have to slide your finger back and forth to turn on, but you get used to it after a while. It's got 8 easy to access preset light programs in it, 5 light programs for music, 3 light programs for holidays, coloring, brightness, preset light programs, Club 1, Club 2, Lounge, Beach, Sunset, Christmas, Independence, Halloween, and different speeds for parties and slower for elegant atmospheres. This thing works really, really good, and I was very impressed with it. The cost of it's really low to take and get into these products, which make it very enjoyable. And if you're a person who hates dealing with an app and hooking up to your Wi-Fi and all that kind of crap, this can definitely be a much better experience for you overall. So this is pretty neat on what it takes and does. I set it up behind my bed. It comes with a lot of different spindles and cables to take and plug into, and you can take and roll them out. There's tape on the other side of the light, so you can take and tape them down or to whatever you want. I highly recommend it, and I thought it was a really great product. Be sure to go to monsterstore.com, tell them Chris Voss saying, check out the Monster Illuminessence series. They've got a whole mess of these that we're covering on the Chris Voss Show. Should be checked for the reviews on that as well. Thanks for tuning in. Give us a like, subscribe to us. We'll see you next time.